Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last weekend I was in Valletta in Malta for a really great ELT conference, and I had the rather surreal experience of leaving London on a Thursday morning when it was cold and grey and wet, and arriving in Malta when it was 30 degrees and the sun was blazing down and it was boiling hot. Now, maybe to many of you, 30 degrees sounds lovely, but for me, it's a little bit too hot, to be honest. I burn very easily. As you can see, I've got the wrong kind of skin for super hot weather. I'm just not cut out for that kind of thing. I'm not designed for it. I'm okay with 21 degrees, 25 at a push, but anything over that and I really start to struggle. If you say you can do something or manage something at a push, you basically mean you can do it or manage it, but with some difficulty. And we often use at a push with numbers. So you might say, listen, I'll try to get there as early as I can. I'm guessing sometime around 8:30, maybe 8 at a push. Look, it's a really tight deadline, okay? To be honest, I probably won't be able to get this work done before Tuesday. Monday, at a push. Yeah, I would offer to give you a lift, but my car's not that big. We've basically got room for 5 people. 6 at a push. If you're looking to find a hotel room, maybe, and you're talking about your budget, you might say, I'd pay £80, £90 a night, 100 at a push, but I can't go beyond that. And maybe, as some of you know, when you're hiking and camping, you can usually carry all the water that you're going to need for a day. 2 days at a push, but no more than that. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see how you might use at a push.